how to change Facebook password. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. As you can see in the title, this is with the new updated settings because Facebook has changed the settings quite a bit. So if this video was helpful to you, then definitely let me know in the comments, and yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is simply go to the menu and then click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And this will open up the settings. So as you can see, it looks quite different than it used to. Now, in order to actually change your password nowadays, what you want to do is go to the Meta Accounts Center. Now, if you click on there, you can actually see your Meta profile. And to your Meta profile, you actually have your Facebook and also maybe an Instagram account connected. So what you want to do is simply go to Password and Security. And then here you can actually click on Change Password. So if you click on there, you can now select either your Facebook or Instagram account. So click on your Facebook account. And then here you first have to enter your current password, then your new password, and then retype your new password and change your password like that. Now let's say you are in the app and you don't even know your actual password. Then here you can also click on Forgotten Your Password. And then once you click on there, they will send you like a code to your email once you click on continue. And let's say you cannot even log in the first place because you don't know your password. Then when you want to log in, it will also probably say forgotten your password, and then just fill in your email address and reset it via there. So that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was, and then I will see you next time.